In this video, I will show you how to add a Twitter feed to your Squarespace website. Here's the Twitter account that we will be using. In this tutorial, we will add the Twitter feed inside the What We Do page. Specifically in this area. To start, go to publish.twitter.com. Copy and paste the Twitter account URL. Choose Embedded Timeline. Let's set a height. Keep it in the light theme. Once done, let's copy the code. Now, let's edit the Squarespace page. Add a new section. Inside this section, let's add an embed block element. Edit the embed element. Choose a code snippet. Finally, paste in the code snippet from Twitter Publish.